Okay, so I spent some time and I laid out the lettering where I wanted it to be. You can see all of the different layers that I have. Everything's on its own separate sort of layer, so if I decide to move some things around, they'll move independently. Couple things when you're moving things around, if you want to use the arrows in the bottom of the middle of your keyboard, it's to the right of the space bar, all the way to the right before you get to the numbers. And if you use the arrows, you can actually go ahead and click around and move your lettering around. It's called nudging. Once you get it everything where you want it to be, another thing I want to talk about is if you have something where it's 2 lines, the only place I did 2 lines is over here, layer Theodore, and then I hit the enter return button, and then I have Roosevelt. There's too much space between these 2 lines, so there's actually a way you can modify the space. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to go up to my options bar, and the place that you can adjust the space is right here. So that's too tight. What you can do is you can actually highlight the numbers right there, and then by hitting the up and down arrows you can nudge the height just like that. That's probably what I want, and then I can commit to it at the end over here, and then it'll fit a little bit better. So that is, I don't think it's anything that I ever showed you, but it's really, really useful. Okay. Make sure you have the spelling right, everything before you go ahead and because the next thing you're going to do is start flattening this stuff. Picking colors. So you want bright colors, you want catchy colors. You can repeat the same colors, and to do this you're going to go to the text tool, you're going to highlight the layer that you want, highlight it. Your colors are up on top here. If you don't see any color that you like throughout this here, you can go to more colors, and this should look familiar. This is where you pick your background colors. It's the same window. So you're going to go ahead and pick colors. You can always change them later. Okay. The little letters, if you share the same lettering, the same font, like what's, unless you and what's are all the same font, you can keep it all the same color. You could still use black. If you use white, you will not see it right now because you need to get the picture in the background. So the next video is going to show you how to put the picture in the background. You can do this really at any time. Actually, my suggestion is to get the picture on here before you actually start committing the colors, because what the background's going to have, the picture's going to have, will influence what the colors of your text is going to be. So that'll be the next video.